Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in this video, I want to share with you my very first public test from my testing group, the SERP testers. So this is going to be a test on authority outbound linking. I'm sure if you've been in SEO for any period of time, you have heard that a authority outbound link, generally we have heard that a wiki link or link to any type of authority blog is a positive result for your ranking. But we are unsure if these links are actually doing anything for our SERP results. Is it giving us a positive effect, or is it giving us a demotion? So is it a ranking factor or not? So I wanted to get to the bottom of this in this first public test. So on January 23rd of 2020, we indexed our 5 pages of the same test site, and unfortunately this is being shared publicly, so I do not want to give up my test pages publicly. However, I'm willing to share the test results. So here's what we have came up with. On January 23rd, we indexed the 5 pages and we added outbound topically relevant authority links. So for this particular page, when we bought the expired domain, it was built, but it had no ranking signals. All right, it had 0 links pointing at it. It was just a throwaway, but it did have some initial title tags when I checked inside of the Wayback Machine. So I knew that it was dedicated to fashion in any case. Got the pages indexed, and I sent out 0 authority outbound links, 10, 3, 5, and 1 outbound link. Okay. Now these were all going to different topically relevant authoritative blogs and websites that were related to the fashion industry. Now I mentioned Fashion Nova because I wanted to at least share one. Okay. So in any case, on the 25th, we went back and we checked on our test sites, our test example. And what we came to find was that we lost one of the pages, which is very typical when we're running a lot of tests. So that wasn't an issue. But what we came to find was the 3 outbound links rose to the very top. Then there's 1, 10, and 5. And I'm just going to go through this. I just wanted to make a brief video about this. We went back. Their page was still gone, but this was on the 30th. So 5 days later, all right, we come back and there's 1, 3, 5, and 10. That's the position, all right, of outbound authority topically relevant links. That's the order. So as of now, we are seeing that, hey, outbound authority links are a positive ranking factor. Now, this was a single variable test. Now, what we like to do inside of my group is we like to get multi-variables. So this is one variable. This is one factor. Now, once we have a positive result with this factor, we'll take this factor and put it against another factor that we've tested, and we'll put those together to give an idea of what's a stronger signal. You see, it's just fun. This is something that myself and my group like to do. In any case, and this is, in my opinion, a lower level test. It's not very in-depth. It's very simple, but it's one of those things that everybody can use. So that's why I want to share it with you. All right. So let's move down the list here. So the final result is this. On February the 6th of 2020, this year, all right, the final result was this order. 1 outbound authority link moved to the very top, then 5 outbound authority links, then 3, and then 10. So in conclusion, what can we say? Authority outbound links that are topically relevant are a positive ranking signal. However, do not get overboard. I wouldn't bring it up over 2 or 3 on one page. So that's going to wrap up. If you'd like to read the entire walkthrough, and I also did a quick little write-up here called Why SEO Science Is an Art. And you can see this at chrispalmermarketing.com. But if you're viewing this, you've already seen it. So it's been a pleasure. And if you have any questions, you can visit me on YouTube at Chris Palmer SEO. Have a wonderful day.